Khubor kapati CTV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Usumbun Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Prestun Tensong ha kesantri unai we yang arja apsan. Ulapan pau ya jing skong kendit banyu I ke Khubor balapan mi ha kerinsan social media ba hagilat pathai Khubor ba kadan ke jing bom yes ngau apa deng jong u balu ba asnyau bhalang dahar. Ha ke jing kan bigilat pathai Khubor ba Prestun loong ba kadai tang ke Khubor Thok ba benrap ru lesi ki brio ki batho yang ni ke Khubor kila syak pendan kam bakla ha ki ru shimet lani ha seng san pathai ki bakwa tang wanchim kabu. Ïalong bakat kum ke jing syam jong u Hapoh ke NPP bodo i para dekat ki Ïalong lut kum shi yang shisem kata nadu national president hadu ki dekat jong ke parti.
I was shocked seeing some section of social media, and number two, even the print and electronic media, where they mention about the rift that has taken place between me and Songhalanda, Deputy Chief Minister. Let me clarify today that it is not at all true, and I think this news is a fake news, or maybe the person who has written this, they may have been used wrongly by any vested individual or any vested political party, that only God knows. So I would like to request the person concerned who came out with such statement, with such news, to verify before coming out to the public, because unnecessary confusion takes place. Because see, there is a boundary for everything, be it people in the media, be it people in the different political parties, be it people in the NGOs or in any groups where you belong to. I think we should not play such a dirty politics or such a dirty news where ultimately create confusion among the people in the state. Let me tell you one thing. I've been with NPP, and very long time I was with the Congress that time. I found out the difference between NPP and the Congress is only one thing, and that thing is NPP always treat its members as a family member. That is the beauty of the NPP. Right from the national president, from the top level, national president, be it the state president, be it the district president, or be it the block and the unit president and the members of the NPP, it is being treated as family members. And if we have anything which we does not understand, or anything which is sometimes maybe rumor spread, we sit down across the table and ultimately we resolve the issue. So that is the beauty of the NPP family. As I said to you, please don't listen to this kind of fake news, because this fake news happens just because of the political mileage of some political parties, or maybe some vested interest message.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.